I'll guide you through how to create GitHub account. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and going to github.com. On the home page, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the registration page. Enter your active email address, then click Continue. Next, create a strong password, ideally with a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After that, choose a username that's unique and easy to remember. This will be your identity on GitHub. After entering your password, complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a bot. GitHub will then send you an email. Head to your inbox, open the message from GitHub, and click the verification link inside to activate your account. Once verified, GitHub may ask you a few optional questions, like what you'll use the platform for. You can skip these or fill them in. It's up to you. After finishing the setup, your account is ready to use. Now you can create repositories, upload your code, and start exploring GitHub's features.